Do you or loved one suffer from snoring? I want to talk about a revolutionary machine that is only available in Euromed Clinic. It's called the Snore 3 machine and it is in just 3 sessions. It can practically eliminate your snoring problem without surgery. Most snoring is caused by the vibration of the soft tissues in the throat as they relax during sleep. When the upper airway is obstructed, noise is made when air is forced through the narrow passageways. There are solutions, but they all involve surgical intervention to reduce the soft palate and uvula, which is cutting off the excess tissue and reshaping what remains, which can cause scarring of the palate. With the exclusive Snore 3 machine, the science is simple. Energy is aimed directly at the uvula, palate, and pillars of the throat using a specially designed handset. No cutting, no surgery. The pain-free laser causes the collagen to tighten up and the muscle tone to rise, therefore allowing more room for airflow. It only takes an average of 3 20-minute sessions and say goodbye to snoring. Immediately after the first treatment, you and your partner will notice a significant reduction in your snoring. Since each case is different, I work closely with ENT doctors to make sure that your results are outstanding. Euromed has exclusive use of this laser for 12 months. Eliminate your snore today.